Hello and welcome back. I hope you're having a nice Tuesday. I'm so excited to draw with you guys, but before we do that, I first would like to give a shout out to Pawtucketville Memorial School in Lowell, Massachusetts. I painted a mural there and I also designed this fun panther character. I had such a great time designing that character. Alright, so as you may notice that I have a bigger container to randomly choose the characters to mash up. So here are the new entries, and believe it or not, after I put this in, mix it all up, we will now have, let me put this down, about 175 mashup ideas to choose from. Don't forget to turn in your ideas on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and on Facebook. Alright, this one is from Stephen Wiltshire and his daughter Caitlin. Oh, that's so cool. They want us to mash up Giraffe and crackers. Ooh, it's going to be awesome. I can't wait. I've been having lots of canned soups lately, and so been having lots of crackers too. What's also awesome about this is Mr. Wiltshire is the principal of North Street Elementary School in Grafton, Massachusetts. And yes, I also painted a mural there. Okay, I'm now going to turn on my projector. And I'll go to the other side. And we will draw the giraffe and cracker. So this is their entry. Alright, so first thing we will draw, oh yeah, keep in mind that, wait, let me move my giant bowl, that there's no erasing. I'm using a Sharpie because everything you create will be perfect and beautiful all the time. And if I'm drawing too fast, please pause the video, and you don't have to draw exactly how I'm illustrating the giraffe cracker. So the first thing we need to draw will be, let's draw a diamond-shaped cracker. So as you can tell, I'm not drawing the lines perfectly. They're kind of a little jagged for the cracker shape. There you go. So draw that diamond shape. Then let's add some dots inside the square. So 1, 2, 3. I don't think I'll do 15 this time. 1, 2, 3, and again 1, 2, 3, and let's add some more in between the dots we just created. 1, 2, 1, 2, and there's our cracker. Doesn't it look yummy? Alright, now let's draw the neck and head portion of the giraffe. So draw one line there, that's for the neck, and another one down here, or to the right. So long, because they have long, elegant necks. Alright, let's draw some cute ears with the forehead, ear, okay, and then the head. There you go. My sister in California, she has a request. She said she's been having, once again, my marker is bleeding. She's having a challenging time drawing my type of eyeball. So you don't have to draw my eyes exactly the way I'm drawing them. So, but I'll show how to do it again. So I'm going to enlarge the giraffe's head. So I'm just going to draw this really fast. It may not look exactly how I've been illustrating it. So after you draw that, draw one big eye and the smaller one. Okay? And draw two letter C's inside. 1, 2, and another one. 1, 2. Ate. I hope this is making more sense. It's making it easier. I said ate, that means sister in Tagalog. I was born in the Philippines. So, and then after you draw the two letter C's inside, fill them in. I hope this is clear. and it doesn't have to be perfect for now. And I'm also going to add these two details on top of the giraffe. We sort of have these funny horns. I think they're horns. Okay, so let's go back to my drawing. I'm going to flip this because it's bleeding too much. So here we are, and then I'll add the funny horns, and one big eye, and one little one, and I'll try to do the same exact thing. Okay, and let's give the giraffe a smile. Dun dun! And then we'll add the patterns on the neck. Alright, so they're kind of square-like. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There you go. 15 markings on the neck. Alright, again, if you need time, please pause the video. Then we'll draw one of the back legs. So draw a line, sort of curvy, and another one that goes in and close the gap. Then repeat that. This may not be easy. So again, draw a line that's kind of curved and the one that curves over there. And draw two of the front legs. This one's just more straight. And again, you don't have to draw exactly how I'm drawing the giraffe, and they don't have to be perfect. If you'd like, you can add some hooves. There you go. And the last detail will be the tail. So draw two lines, like this, and sort of like a leaf shape, and you can fill that in. Okay, so again, you can add color later on. That's so fun to do. And I will sign this, and this is complete, and I will turn off the projector. Mr. Wiltshire, when you get a chance, please email me your address to smileyb@bataclan.com. Also, for those of you who have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so you'll know when the new episode is released, because I'm doing this every day. Before I sign off, I'd like to find out what songs you sing, or songs you sing when you're washing your hands. I know most folks are singing Happy Birthday 2 times. I've been singing songs from my favorite band, New Order. Speaking about that band, New Order is scheduled to perform here in Boston in September. I hope that concert does not get canceled. Okay, so I'll see you guys tomorrow, and enjoy the day. Thank you very much.